So what's the preparations for this new project? The preparations. The second is what's your schedules. The third thing is the payment progress. We need to discuss. So for the first thing, so the first item, so it's the preparations.
Preparation.
Yeah, preparation.
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 Not preparation.
Preparation.
Yeah, preparation.
Okay. So for preparations for the first one, so in this item we need to discuss.
We need to discuss.
We need to discuss. I need to know. Okay. How about your manpower available? Manpower available for this allocate for this whole project. The second item is how many.
For example, continue the first point. For example.
For example, how many supervisors you will allocate for this project, and then how many engineer you will stay at site, and then what's the level? How many level we employed? So
are you going to use foreign worker
to discuss?
Okay, talk. Okay.
Yeah. For this. You need to know. So our main our supplier, our customer is not allowed foreigner. It's not allowed.
Our customer doesn't allow
any foreigner in this their working area. In their working area. So must bear in mind, no foreigner.
Cannot.
Okay. The second thing is, okay. Your engineer must comply to safety division of our customer requirement, especially for PPE. First, the helmet. The helmets must be blue color. The second thing, you must wear the safety suit.
Cannot yellow.
No, that's not allowed. They are elastic coat.
Must blue.
Okay. And then the second thing is
The second thing
is you need to
you need to
wear safety suit when enter their area, the working area. Okay. The third thing is you must wear the goggle glass. Okay?
Not plastic.
Safety glass.
Safety glass.
Yeah, safety glass.
Must be glass. Can we be plastic?
Plastic.
Can.
Okay. Okay. And then the next.
If working.
If you are working
on heights.
At the highest, so you must have this one. What's called safety string.
Harness. Safety harness.
Safety harness. Okay, so you must comply. Make sure, but before.
Make sure. Okay. Make sure.
So
make sure
you must provide me your worker's name before you enter the area, because we need to apply the work permit.
We need to apply.
We need provide the manpower list, name list to our customer, so that we can enter the area to apply their identity card. Okay.
The customer also require 2 safety officer.
Yes.
Tell them lah.
Okay, so in the meantime, you also need to have a licensed safety officer. Safety for 2, one is enough.
One enough, okay.
One safety officer with a license approval.
From NIOSH.
From government approval.
NIOSH.
Authorized, certified.
By NIOSH. Yeah, National Institute.
Okay. And then have you aware of, you must take note of what I mentioned to you. Then you need to pass me this before next week.
Boss, I want to ask you, what about CIDB green card?
Yeah. Some you need also.
Ni cakap lah. And
sorry.
Okay.
You also need to apply for this one, the green card. Okay, or green card. Okay, this one, so this the item list you need to check out, and then you need to tick all this checklist, and then you must pass to me before end of this week.
Alright.
Okay. Sorry.
The third. Minumlah dulu. Okay, batuk. Okay, tak apa.